Tonight, big news regarding school vaccine requirements here in Connecticut. The state Supreme Court voted to uphold mandatory vaccinations for students this year.
Now, this doesn't change anything for kids already in the Connecticut public school system. If they already have approved religious exemptions, those will continue to be honored. But for new children who are enrolling, even siblings of exempt students, vaccines will be required starting this school year.
We're taking away the rights of parents to make choices for their children.
The Connecticut Supreme Court ruling this week to uphold mandatory school vaccinations, striking down all but one count of a legal challenge citing religious freedom violations. When state lawmakers passed a bill to eliminate religious exemptions for school vaccine requirements in 2021, thousands of people traveled to Hartford to voice their opposition.
No human should have any decision over our body nor our children.
With some parents vowing to pull their kids out of the public school system altogether.
I have to figure out a plan to school this little one right here. She can't go to public school now.
And while the ruling is a major setback for their cause, the fight is not over just yet.
The issue at hand is one of religious exemption, not parental rights, religious.
A lower court still has to decide whether the law violates the Religious Freedom Restoration Act.
I think the Supreme Court of Connecticut did the right thing by sending it back to allow the lower court to go ahead and examine the facts and circumstances from the context of strict scrutiny. And that's what the focus of this case will be now.
Until then, the law stands, meaning for students without pre-approved exemptions, they must roll up their sleeves.
So for this fall, students are going to be required to be vaccinated.
Connecticut Attorney General William Tong praising the ruling to keep vaccine requirements in place, writing a part quote, "This merely dismisses most aspects of the challenge while allowing plaintiffs to continue to press one remaining part of their case in state court, where we will aggressively defend the state's necessary and lawful actions to protect public health." So again, the law removing religious exemptions remains in place and will be enforced this school year, but the lower court still must rule on that final count, and it's unclear tonight when that might be.